Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So Madam Glam sent me some of their brand new polishes from their Macarons collection. These polishes are a celebration of spring and they are some of the most beautiful pastel colors I've seen just from looking on the website, and I couldn't wait to get my hands on them. So thank you so much to Madam Glam for sending me these polishes. Okay, without wasting any more time, let's do some swatches. So I'm going to be swatching each polish on my thumb and then I'm going to wipe it off with acetone just so we can get a good look at each color before I do my nails. Now this next polish is called Back to Cali, and it didn't come with this set of polishes, it came with the previous set of polishes the Madam Glam sent me, and I added it to this set because it's a beautiful neutral color and I really felt like it was going to complement the bright pastel colors from the Macaron collection, and it did just that. It fit in so nicely and it added some warmth to the nail. And one thing I really love about Madam Glam polishes is that they're so shiny without the top coat, and that really speaks to the quality of the products, and this is why Madam Glam is literally my favorite brand of gel polishes. And if you didn't know, they're also cruelty free, vegan, and they're free from the 21 most toxic chemicals found in nail polishes. So I absolutely love Madam Glam and I'm so glad that they chose to work with me. If you notice at the top of the screen, I have my discount code, so if you want to shop on Madam Glam, you can click the link in my description box and type in my code, which is Prettyest30_1, and you can get 30% off your entire order. Now for the nail art, I really wanted to keep it cute, simple, because I really want the attention to be on the colors. now the nails are fully cured and I'm going to be using my Elixir Cuticle Oil. I got my Elixir Cuticle Oil in the previous package that Madam Glam sent me, which also came with the top coats, Back to Cali, and a few other colors. I'll have that video linked in the cards above if you want to go check it out. And I really think adding Back to Cali to this set was the perfect choice. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Overall, I'm so in love with this collection. It's so perfect and all the colors complement each other perfectly. So yeah, you already know how I feel about this. I'm so in love with this collection. So do go check it out on the website. I'll have a link in my description box. I'm not going to talk anymore. I'm just going to let you admire the nails. I can't wait to do future sets and more designs and nail art and stuff with these polishes. So thank you all for watching my video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.